guys see this before Christmas. Yes, you will. Yes, you will. I got my vegan cuts box for December. I've got my booch. I'm happy. Put together today because I don't work today. So I'm like, I'm going to do myself up and look nice. So we're doing the December vegan cuts unboxing. I'm going to, once I get the Petite Boar Plus unboxing, then I'm going to do that one. And then I'm going to shoot a video of what was my favorite products for this year. Because there is a lot. There's a lot to unpack. And then I'm going to do like a vlog, basically talking about what's been going on in my life, what I've been doing, and what I'm going to be doing in the following year. Because there's a lot of changes coming, guys. So, but you guys know how we do this. We're going to talk about last month's box. And then we're going to talk about this month's box. So, in the last box, we got the Central Zone Balm. I've had that before. It was fine. Like, I felt the same as I did about it last time. It works. It's a little greasy, but it's fine. The Belle Pierre mascara. It was waterproof, I think. Listen, I really wanted to like this mascara because the Belle Pierre stuff has really been pretty good, in my opinion, that I've gotten this year. As a little iffy at first, but I fell in love with a lot of their products. I thought they were very good. This mascara is not it. So it was clumpy. And when you first applied it, it was, you know how when you put on mascara, sometimes it takes a minute to dry. This one took forever to dry. And it was clumpy and it was smudgy. And I just didn't like it. Once it did dry, obviously it held really well. It does work for the waterproof aspect of it. But like as a mascara, I would not purchase this one again, unfortunately. It was not it for me. The Zion Ancient Clay Bar. I've had one of these before, but this one was a different kind. It was good. I mean, I used it on my body. It made my body dry, but, you know, lotion. I used it as just a wash for my hands, and that's probably how I prefer to use it, honestly. The Dirty Lamb B-Day Cake Perfume. So this was the high ticket item. This one was a $37 item. I mean, I liked it for what it is. Like, it smells sweet. It's cute. I would not use it like all the time. Like, I prefer something a little bit more sophisticated smelling. And don't get me wrong, I love smelling like sweet treats. Like, I use a lot of native stuff that smells like I'm literally a sugar cookie, you know what I mean? So I love that kind of stuff. I just didn't really love this perfume as much as something like that. So I thought it was good, but $37, I would not buy it again. Sorry. And then the Euphoria Arousal Gel. So I have used things like this in the past. This was fine. I don't think it was anything to write home about. But it was fine. Like, if you were looking for a vegan, cruelty-free thing like that, then I would get it. But it's just not something that I feel the need to have. You know what I mean? But it was only because they don't sell them in like those individual. So it was like $2.15 for that by math. It was okay. Last month's box was okay. It was fine. It was not... Anything was like, oh my gosh, this is so good, I gotta get it again, you know, unfortunately. But with that being said, let's take it down and check out this month's box. So the box this month is huge comparatively to my other boxes I've gotten in the past, which I don't know why that is, but maybe it's just because there's extra products, but it doesn't seem like a lot. It just seems, I mean, it's pretty. Vegan Cuts. The box supports Woodstock Farm Sanctuary. Oh, that's Daryl. Hi, Daryl. Everyone say hi to Daryl. And there is some stuff. So right off the bat, oh my gosh, how cute. It's a lip balm trio. I love that because, you know, you see in like stores and stuff, they have like chapstick and stuff like that and the fun scents and flavors, and they're like in multi-packs. And we don't have anything like that vegan. So I'm so happy to have something like this so I can have my own candy cane one. Cute. That's adorable. I'm excited about that. And there is a brush from Moda. What kind of brush is that? It is a limited edition angle blender. Okay, well, to be perfectly honest, I don't use enough makeup to use a blending brush. I don't do like contouring or anything like that. Generally, what I do is I just wash my face and put lotion and toner on, and then some kind of primer, and then foundation, and then a powder, and then I might do some blush and highlighter, but that's not an everyday thing, and then I mascara. And I'm more likely to do like eyeshadow and stuff, but it's a cute brush. It would make a nice gift for somebody. So, oh no, more Central Zone. So these have not worked for me yet, guys. I think I'm going to give this as a gift to somebody. Yeah, I'm going to put this in like someone's stocking and give it as a gift because it might work for them. Ooh, another mask. I do love a good mask. Sue Purifying Black Charcoal Mask. Green tea, green caviar extract, and charcoal black fiber sheet. Green caviar extract. What? Is this vegan? That's really weird. That's real weird. Okay. And then we got a big thing right here. David's Hydroxy Whitening Enamel Toothpaste. Okay. Like, I always am happy to have some toothpaste. I've never heard of this brand. But I will give it a try. Here's all the ingredients if you're interested. Interesting. Oh yeah, I gotta show the ingredients of this. We've already seen the other, but very nice. I think that's it in here. It's just a lot of filler. Weird. Alright guys, and we are back. So, interesting box. Honestly, it looks like, and I know this sounds a little mean, but it looks like somebody just pulled a bunch of stuff out and threw it in a box and said, there you go. There wasn't any real thought behind a lot of these things, I feel like, this month. I feel like it was really phoned in. I expected it to be really nice because it's December, Christmas. I was like, so it's probably going to be a special box. Honestly, the only thing that I'm really excited about is this lip balm. And funnily enough, do you know how much this lip balm kit is? You know how much I found it for online? $5. $5. And I'm just like, wow, it's very cheap. And you know what's funny is this is probably the cheapest box as far as value that I have found so far this year. So we got the toothpaste, which was $10, the mask, which was $3, the Central Zone. So sorry, kids. Yeah, the Sue mask was $3. The Central Zone is $6. The Moda brush is $3. And then the lip balm is $5, which makes this box's value only $27. That's crazy. That's like less than I paid for the box. So I'm just thinking to myself, it's supposed to be Christmas, right? And like I'm expecting this box to be extra. And it was less than like I even anticipated it being. Like that's crazy. Like less than the box is even worth. Oh well. I digress. I will give these products a try, except the brush, because honestly, I don't use this kind of brush, but I will give this away to somebody. And I will not be using these because I've used these before and they don't work for me. I will give these away too. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you do appreciate it as much as I do. You're here watching me when you could be somewhere else. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I will see you guys again very soon. Bye.